Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking, where you find easy and tasty recipes. Everyone loves ice cream, from small kids to adults. Did you know making ice cream at home is so easy with very few ingredients? Yes, today I'm making my very special vanilla ice cream recipe with you. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
In a heavy bottom pan, add 3.5 cups of half and half on medium heat. In a small mixing bowl, add 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. You may use wheat flour or corn flour as well. Into that, add some water and make a thick paste. When it boils, add 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm using organic unbleached cane sugar and mix it well. Add the flour mixture into the milk and mix it well. Make sure there is no more lumps. Turn the stove off. Let it cool down completely. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Cover it and put it in the freezer for 3 hours. This is after 3 hours in the freezer. Put it in the blender and blend it just for 30 seconds. Pour it in a container and put it in the freezer for 8 hours. This is after 8 hours. Again blend it for 30 seconds and put it back in the freezer for 3 hours. You can repeat this process 3 to 4 times. This is good, but I want to blend it one more time. Remember, for 30 seconds each time. This time put it for 8 hours in the freezer. Looks so creamy. Perfect vanilla ice cream for your whole family. I like to make things simpler and not more complicated in the kitchen wherever possible. Try it today and let me know what you think.
See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.